Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell, and welcome to the Fabfitfun Triple Crown Battle with our so nice, it almost feels naughty, Winter 2023 custom boxes. And in this we have Princess Miss Jackie Russell, we have Princess Laura Wooten reviews, and we have Queen, Hell to the Queen, Sue with reviews with Sue. I am so excited to show you my box today. We are going to show you all the items that we selected. We get a second box. Fabfitfun is $54.95 annually. You pay about $220 or $30 total up front, free shipping, or you can go quarterly at $59.99 or $59.95, somewhere around there, and you can get the quarterly box quarter to quarter, and you can cancel anytime. You also get free shipping. You get 4 choices with that. With the annual subscription, you get 6. You get to customize your complete box and discount. That's right, I have a 20% off code link down in my description. If you're interested in subscribing to Fabfitfun, it's one of the most popular boxes, if not the most popular box in the United States, maybe around the world. I don't know where all they go. And we all love our box because they give us great items. But back to the Fabfitfun Triple Crown Battle. Now, if you don't know Sue or Laura, you need to be subscribed to both of them and myself in order to enter the giveaway. That's right, we'll have a giveaway with this. And you will need to be publicly subscribed to all 3 of us. You will need to comment on each video. That is a new rule. We also like for you to vote on who the new queen is. Now, Sue is the current reigning queen, and if you like what she has, then you would vote for her again. Please let us know. We tally it all up, and we also appreciate it if you rate our boxes from 1 to 10 based on how you like it and how you would use the items that we chose. Now, inside my box, I have 6 items, and I may have 7 because I think I did buy 1 add-on. That's another privilege that you get with Fabfitfun. They have add-on sales and edit sales, and you can join in on the fun and also the great savings that they have. Inside here we have a sponsored box with all the different brands that work with Fabfitfun, and it's deals for the holidays. But anyway, it's Winter 2023, just as it says. And on the inside here we have our little card, which, as far as I know, nobody's won, but I will tell you, since we've been talking about it so much, they did send out some emails of winners that won $20. I mean, that's a far cry from $10,000, but I don't know if I won or not because when you scratch it, it doesn't even show up. Usually it says, "Sorry, Charlie," so if I won anything here, I wouldn't even know it. I can't read one thing out of that, so that didn't work. Their scratch thing is just not that great. But if I happen to win, I'll let you know. Anyways, we're going to get into this box and see what I did for my customizations and let you vote on it. We also have our HelloFresh. If anybody's interested, you can use my code. I will not be using that. And the best thing that I know to do is just start off with category number 1. And I'm not going to go through all the different things that you could purchase. I'm just going to go through what I purchased and the price that it was. Okay, in customization number 1, I decided in my box to get the knit robe. It just says knit robe. They had a different name for it. They got a fancy name for it. It was called the Splendid Velour Robe, and I got the large XL size, and it was $64. So now let's take a look at this. It was made in China. It does have its price tag on there. It's $64. Has the Splendid name brand and the size, and it is bagged up. It's kind of a, I want to say, a purplish color. It's very soft, I will say that. It's very velour feeling, just like it said. This is very scrumptious, actually. I think I'll enjoy having this on. This is very velvety, soft, silky, velvety. I don't know, it's very, very soft. And I guess that's like a taupe color. It's kind of a gray purpley color, but very nice. So that was my customization number 1. In customization number 2, I picked the Block, B-L-A-Q, Block Powered. It's a battery-powered toothbrush. And I had not tried this before, and I don't really have one. I don't know that if I have, I don't use one. So you get your little parts here for your toothbrush. Whoops. And then, oh, it also puts batteries in there for you, so you can put it all together. So this is what it looks like, in case you wanted to know, and it's got everything you need. Might as well toss them in there. Oh, there it goes. Okay. I got the batteries in right, so it does work. And then it looks like I have 2 little brush heads that I can use. And did I tell you how much it was? It's got a value of $50. And I think in their, you know, when they do edit sales and when they do customizations, you can buy extras of these. So that's my new electric toothbrush. It'll match my black Hello toothpaste that I use with charcoal. So hey, I think I'm gonna like that. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. We'll just be brushing our teeth. I guess I don't have to do that. This will do it for me. I'll have to get used to that method because I'm used to doing everything myself. You know what I mean? The next customization is number 3, and it is a 3-month supply of the Grande Cosmetic Grande Lash Enhancing Serum, and it is $68. It is right here, and I already have one that I've got open and I'm using right now. But I'm going to show it to you, and I think it's been working. I like it. It seems to do a good job. It's easy to apply, and I'm going to show you how. Well, I'm not going to show you. It is thoroughly wrapped, and I'm not going to open it because guess what? This is going to be in the giveaway. I got this for one of you. The lucky winner will win this Grande Lash MD. And guys, I want you to know this is not only popular in the Fabfitfun, but this has got proven, scientific proven that it can enhance and grow your lashes and condition them. This has results behind it, and I'm going to share this one with one of you. So that's one thing that's in my giveaway. And now we're going to go on to my customization number 4. And in customization number 4 is where I picked a mystery. And there's no dollar value on it, although there is one, but it's not giving me one. And the reason why is because they don't know what they're going to be putting in my box for me. What I got was the Zoe Alla, and it is a satin standard pillowcase, headband, jade roller, all combination. Behind there is the white pillowcase, and then you got your jade roller here that you would apply your serums, and then this is your headband. And guess what, guys? This is going to be in the giveaway as well. So these are 2 of the items that are in the giveaway for sure. The next item that I got was in customization number 5. And in customization number 5, I chose the Aceology Probiotic Restoring Biodegradable Mask. There's 4 in a pack, and it is $59. I have looked up the pricing and of buying these masks, and they are expensive. So I thought, well, why not get them in the box? I paid $54 for the box, so this more than pays for the whole box of everything that I got. And in here, we have the individual mask. I have used these before. They're very nice masks. They restore your probiotics. They're biodegradable, moisturizing. It says the Aceology Probiotic Restoring Biodegradable Mask is a super light sheet mask that soaks your skin in beneficial ferments to replenish and renew your complexion. It's a fermented blend of probiotic, provides a moisturizing, strengthening, and smoothing action, while highly absorbable form of hyaluronic acid instantly hydrates when pressed into your face. The soothed fibers adhere comfortably without slipping off, making the hydrating mask one that your skin will just drink up. And I just imagine it will. So I know I'm happy with that. So that was a good choice for me. What do you think? Am I doing pretty good with my choices? Now my last item is in customization number 6. And if you want to know everything that was in the customizations 1 through 6, I do have my first box out in the video, and I'll plug it up there for you, and you can go back and see what I had in it if you're wanting to know. But this is a Maryland Shift, and this is a necklace. It's in gold. It looks like it has like a, I don't know, cubit zygomia in the middle there. It's a Maryland Shift double layered necklace, and the value is $38. And you know what, guys? That's reasonable. Have y'all ever gotten single swag? All of theirs, no matter what they give you, is $50 or $60 value, which it's not. It says to remove before bathing and avoid direct contact with perfumes and lotions. And I like it though. It's a nice little necklace and I'll definitely wear it. Y'all know I like to wear jewelry. So that was my choice number 6. Now I did buy one add-on and I just had to get it. And it was a skincare product that I love. I mean, like Fabfitfun's had this in their box before, and I used it up completely. And it is the Josie Maran Whip Argan Oil Ultra Hydrating Body Butter. And this is body butter in the Hippie Beach. So this is a new scent. I have not ever had Hippie Beach. And I thought, well, I'm going to try this out. It was $12 and it's normally $38, so that you know. I did get a good price on it, and I just want you to see how whipped that is. Oh my gosh. Guys, this is an excellent body butter. I mean, smells good. I seen others get this last time in the box, and I was just beside myself that I didn't notice that they had it in there. Because when you go to her site and you want to buy this product, this body butter, it is $38, and I love it. It just makes your skin feel so good with that argan oil. I'm gonna have to say this is one of the best body butters that I've ever used, and I feel confident that many others that have used this body butter would feel the same way. It is excellent. So there's your review on this, and the Hippie Beach scent smells good. I've got another one coming. I ordered it in my edit sale, and that one's the Vanilla Fig. And I will say I think I like that scent better, but this is nice and beachy smelling, so to speak. But guys, that is my box. You now rate my box 1 to 10. What do you think? Did I get to become queen again? Because you all know how I like being queen. But it's got to be fair and square, and you have to vote on the box that you like the best. Did Laura have the best box? Did Sue have the best box? According to you and what you would use. As a recap, I have the beautiful and very soft silky robe, which I'm gonna love having that on after a shower. And I got my necklace, which I like. I got my Aceology, which I'm going to use. Yeah. I got my Block electric toothbrush, which I'm going to be using right away, and I'm happy to get it. This sold out, and I don't think it's the first time they had it. And then I also got the Grande Lash MD, and I got this as my number 4 choice, and these two are in the giveaway. Now, about the giveaway, what do you have to do to enter my giveaway? Well, besides being publicly subscribed to Laura, Sue, and myself, you must also be 18 years or older. You must have an address in the Continental USA. YouTube, Fabfitfun, or any of these brand products that I've shown today are not affiliated with this giveaway. The giveaway will be out for 2 weeks. It'll end on December 16th. So be sure and keep a lookout for that. And then what's in my giveaway? Well, you already know 2 of the items. I have let you know what they are. I am going to tell you there will be other items in this giveaway that will be makeup and beauty, some of my stash, and it'll be a nice little package, and you will love it. I just know you will. And that is going to be my giveaway, and I wish you all luck. What's the code word you need to use for this? I would like for you all to use the code word Grande, Grande. Use the word Grande, and also come back and tell us who is queen, and rate our boxes 1 to 10, and you can be entered into this giveaway. Now, the rating portion of that is optional, so we're not going to discount you, but we will count if you're subscribed to all of us, and in my case, using my code word Grande. And you need to come back and vote. You do need to vote, so we can know who the new queen is. Is it going to be me, or is it going to be Sue, or is Laura going to take the crown from both of us? And she'll have the crown, and we'll just have to be the little princesses, which I had to tell you, I don't mind being a little princess. That sounds just wonderful to me as well. So it's whatever you think. You vote, you let us know, and that is my Fabfitfun Triple Crown Winter 23 Battle Collab with Laura and Sue. But anyways, be sure and check my description for any other giveaways that are currently going on. Don't forget to make comments in the description, and let me know what's your favorite product, the favorite thing. I'm going to say masks are one of my favorites, But in this particular box, my favorite thing that I got is going to be this robe, and I'm going to go with the mask because I love these masks. So the robe and the mask are my two favorite things. What are your favorite things? Let me know. But as for today and the Fabfitfun Triple Crown Battle, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.